hello, how are you? And welcome to Road Odyssey. Hey, hi y'all. Hope y'all are doing great. Please subscribe down below. Thank you. And thank you very much to all of y'all who have subscribed. Y'all are great. You're patient. You put up with me. And that is greatly appreciated. So, very quick, the C8 had a rumble. I call it rumble, but it actually had a rattle. And so it was rattling, squeaking on the front passenger side. Well, from your perspective, front passenger side. And took it into the shop. We looked at it and pulled and tugged and all that. And turned out to be the sway bar links. And so I'm just going to let y'all see some of this and what I had to go through fixing this car for God knows how many times I have fixed this car. Well, not me personally. I've spent the money on fixing this car. So anyway, I love the car. It is fantastic. It is fast. So I love it. So here we go into getting my Rumble C6 sway bar links fixed. Woohoo!
When I saw this buzzard out in the street bar house, just chowing down on a juicy morsel of a squished squirrel, I was hoping this was not a bad omen. Got the Corvette to B&B Service Center, Bonham, Texas on 121. Here's a quick view of B&B Auto Service, and yes, they do sell cars there at the Driver's Choice car sales. And here is Fred in the car, getting it up on the rack. Pretty cool to see somebody else driving your car. It gives you an idea of what it kind of looks like, but too bad it's when I'm getting my car fixed. Now Fred at B&B Service Center is the main guy for working on Corvettes. He's worked on several of them. He does a great job, and I really do appreciate his help very much. I thought I would include here a quick look at my exhaust system down below. Pretty nice big tips, MagnaFlow exhaust, X-pipe, high flow cats to try to stay EPA compliant to some degree, and nice big high flow long tube headers. A quick look at the sway bar link. And here is the one that was not operating very well. And here's just a picture of the old one and the box I got Moog for the new sway bar link. Here's a quick picture of the sway bar link taken out. Here's the new one put back in. The passenger side sway bar link up front was bad, and here's Fred changing out the front driver's side because I decided to change all of them. Whatever tool you use to take these sway bar links in and out, it needs to be pretty thin and strong. Thought I'd give another quick look here at the back. In this view, you can really see how his right-hand tool is just really a little too thick for these things. But it worked. Driving the car home from the service center, I could tell that the suspension really felt tightened up, or the car actually felt tightened up, and I did not have that rattle occurring at the front passenger side, which is what started all this. So, hey, very good. To get all this work done, it took me the initial diagnosis, which was to and from the shop and a look around, so that was about an hour. And on top of that, the install, which is to and from the shop, plus about an hour, hour and a half of the install itself. In total, spent about 3.5 hours. Not too bad.
All right. Well, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please subscribe down below. Thank you very much. And hope you enjoyed my little tidbit about getting Rumble, my C6 2005 Corvette, fixed up with these sway bar links. And so with that, relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.
On the way home, I saw this crop dusting plane. It crossed our main highway. I just think these things are so cool to watch. This guy got probably lower than a lot of the planes I'm used to seeing. And watching get up here to the tree line, this is pretty amazing stuff. I really love these planes. I would love to go for a ride in one of them. I hope y'all have a really nice day, and I will see you later.